guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how I lace this gorgeous red wig from Miss Coco hair. It is a 13x4 180% density. It is a body wave, and I believe they do have this in red amongst so many other colors they have on their website. They also sent me a bag of goodies. I believe I have a couple of combs in there, some eyelashes, a wig cap and whatnot. But before we go right into today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what the inside of this wig looks like. For those who like to lace their hair without having to add glue on, you can actually see that it has a couple of combs which you can tuck right into your wig cap or underneath your hair, and that just leaves it like really firm. The one thing I absolutely love about this hair is the fact that I did use my hot comb, but throughout the whole process of lacing the hair I didn't get a shed, aside from the time when I had to pre-pluck it. But there was no color shed, and there was not a whole lot of hair shed as well. So I'm really very pleased with the hair, and I believe they have a huge sale going on your website at the moment, and I'm going to be leaving all of that in the description box, so please do make sure you check that out. And if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, definitely keep watching. So for today, I'm not going to be doing the ultimate melt method, just because if you look on the side, you could actually tell how ripped my hair is. It's barely like 2 weeks. I took off the blonde wig I had on, and that actually like kind of chopped off my hair a little bit. I think I didn't actually wait for the wig or the glue to be well melted before I took it out, so it kind of like took out a couple of my hair. So I'm kind of letting my hair breathe for now, and yeah, that's absolutely the reason why I'm not going to be doing like the ultimate melt method, because that would have been like the best method for this. But even with the fact that I did not, I just wore my wig cap, it still looks absolutely amazing. Since this is a very honest review of this hair, I'm just gonna say one thing. The one thing I had to struggle with throughout the process of lacing this hair was the fact that it was such a big cap. I should have probably requested a medium cap or like a small cap, but it was pretty big and I had to cut it. And I usually don't like it like when I have to cut my wigs, because then I don't get like the accurate sizing. Like it's nice when it's, you know, a size small or a size medium. That way it just like fits perfectly, and all I do is just cut off the lace. I actually decided to do the baby hair today on the side. I'm sure it's like some of you are probably like, oh, this is new. I feel like because this is a colored wig, I should have some kind of drama on the side, because if you look on the side, there's actually nothing on that. That's because I don't like my wig looking like really funny. I feel like some people do not know how to do a nice looking baby hair. So most of the time I just skip that, but I decided to do it today because it is obviously a red wig and I wanted a bit of my features out. So yeah, and I know someone actually, like a couple of people on Instagram and on here as well, requested that they wanted to see how I created baby hairs. So yeah, I hope this is helpful and I hope you're able to follow it step by step. So that's it, guys. I hope you were able to follow step by step all of the methods I used in lacing this red hair. I'm gonna leave all of the details in the description box, so please do make sure you check that out, and also check out their website because you'll be amazed on how much sale they have going on. Anyways, if you are yet to subscribe, now is the time to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy the content, and do not forget to comment, like, and share. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.